Hello guys, and in today's session we will talk about how to use M-Assist application as a field force management. So for that, first of all, we will go to Play Store, and in Play Store we will search for M-Assist CRM application. So this is the application we have. Mostly whomsoever client is using, the username of the application will be the phone number of the user with all clients of M-Assist, and the password they can select any random password. So here we are using it for Kentaro. This is the home page. So on the home page, on the top right hand side, there is an option of profile. As you can see right now, it is showing as dummy arrow. So I will click over here. Here you can upload your image. You can take instant image, or you can also upload a image from gallery. You can see your phone number, user code, a unique M-Assist ID for troubleshooting issues, and then you have district name, reporting head, and your territory name. That information should be 100% valid there. Here we have two options. First of all is the option of application menu. As you can see, I am picking it up and picking it down. Application menu, here we have field activity, and the second option we have is my data. My data is at the bottom of the page on the top right hand side. So we will start with my data. I'm going to tap on my data. Here you can see the list of all retailers that will be in the territory of the employee. Here he can search for any shop, any existing retailer. Here you can also see the option of check in and check out. He can select it over here. Check in, yeah, this is how the simple check in is done, and then the checkout. So there will be a form that will come out, and everyone has to fill up the form. The tracking your location is also something. You need to keep the location on for your phone, so you will enter all the required information that will be available. So this information is basically customized. It is depend upon the company to company. Kentaro is just want every one of their field employee to fill up this specific application. Any follow-up date, any remarks, they can enter, submit. So this is one check-in check-out for the existing retailer. For the new, we can see the add new option on the top right hand side. Here we get a lot of options. First one is lead. Lead is the option. They can tap over here. They need to simply enter the name of the new retailer or distributor, mobile number, contact person name, remarks, and they need to add the new address over here. Very simple process, and they will tap on save. This is one activity. Second one is the for the retailers. If they want to add a existing retailer, that information is not there in the my data, they can add it from here. Similarly, they can add distributors, any company. Influencer is basically a referencer. Direct dealer, they are visiting our warehouse, head office, any TST center, LFR center. Any premium retailer. Premium retailer is okay if you have added anything like that. Any end customer, service franchisee, sales dealer, and vendor. So these in this information is available over here. You need to enter it, any one of them. Let me just add lead as, let's just say, Vimal Electronics. Mobile number, I'm going to enter a random mobile number, and then the contact person name, let's just say Vimal Kumar. Remarks, what is the reason of that salesperson to visit. They need to enter the address over here. Location address is only required, then state, then city. So this is very simple process to add a new data. So Vimal Electronics, as you can see, so address is not being verified in front of Rahul Electronics, Anil Yadav, Ankit Electronic Store. Check-in option is available, but not in front of the Vimal. So I will tap on the name. I will take a random image, and I will simply click update. As you can see, this time I got the option of checking in into Vimal Electronics. Once I check out, I will enter the stage of the lead. What is the stage? Met new customer, waiting lost as per my experience, lead status, cold, hot, warm, any remarks, and submit. So this is one activity in my data. Then the remaining activity we have in field activities. In field activity, you can check in at customer location at any one of the influencers as others. Existing retailer but not visible, you can add a temporary retailer. You just met it into that retailer that was not in your territory, but somehow you just went there. Opening a new retailer, you can do it, but I recommend opening new retailer from my data. Architect visit, service, franchisee, and office. So this is something that data will not save. If you want to save that data so that you can check in and check out there multiple times, I recommend you to opt for my data. From my data you can save the information and you can check in and check out there multiple times. In the field activity, you can just do a random check-in. For example, customer visit, very simple, and customer, you will enter the customer's name. This is how the check-in is done. Simple checkout. We need to enter a lot of information. Rahul Electronics, let's just say Rahul Kumar. You will enter out the data. Product category, we talk about RO, water purifiers. What is the reason? You will add submit. That is one check-in and one checkout. So now it is not in pending, it is in completed status right now. Similarly, you can do, so the app, since I'm using it fast, so it is asking for to wait for 1 more minute. From here we have today you can see today's data, today's visits. As you can see, it is showing 2. So if I click over here, it will give me the data. Rahul Electronics, so that data is in the process of generation. It will generate after some time. Rahul Electronics, I just added over here, and this is a new retailer I added. And similarly, this is for a complete month. In the entire month, how many visits I have done each day. Vimal Electronics, Rahul Electronics. So this lead, and it is the retailer. So field activity, new activities, this is one important task. If you do not want to save the data, check in anyone from here. Start activity, it will be in pending. Once it will be end, it will be in the completed state. And then if you are visiting a place multiple times, add the information from my data. So thank you so much guys. I will come up with new videos regarding the MSist.